Hello nieces, hello nephews, it's your Uncle Charles here and welcome back to my YouTube channel where we do unbiased price action analysis. Uncle Charles is very confused, guys. Right here, right now, what you guys are looking at is a 15-minute chart of Tesla. Now in my Discord, I have a Discord. For my tier 1, I have tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3. For tier 1, I cover the SPY and the Tesla. Okay, I only charge $35 a month. 30 days in the month, right? 35 divided by 30 is what? Anybody want to tell me 30 days divided by 35? 35 divided by 30? Huh? I charge 35 a month, 30 days in a month. What am I charging? Like $1 and change, $2 a day? For the opportunity to do what? To join my Discord. Well, what do I do in my Discord? In my Discord, I give you guys trade ideas. I give you guys guidance. Look at here on Tesla, for example. I wrote here 409 is first support. Trust the bounce only if 411 clears to put 413 or higher targets in play. Once 411 cleared, I alerted the group 411 cleared. Okay? We look at the charts. What does Uncle Charles always say? We use the levels. We use the 15-minute chart. When we clear a resistant level, we want to look for calls. Look at this candle right here. This green line is the 411 level. What happened at the 930 candle? Anybody want to answer Uncle Charles? We cleared 411 on the 15-minute chart. Holy moly donut shop. And look at this. From 411... this thing popped all the way to a high of 429.78. 411 cleared on the 15-minute chart. Uncle Charles alerted it in his Discord. It led to a pop all the way to 429.78. I charge you guys for tier 1 members $1.20 to $2 a day for the chance to get trade ideas like this from me. And then I get an email saying somebody is canceling their tier 1 membership. I'm over here like confused. A beautiful trade idea like this for tier 1 members, $35 a month, $1.50 a day. You could have made hundreds of thousands of dollars off this trade, and I get what? A membership cancellation. And not only the tier 1 member, I cover Tesla, I cover SPY. Look at the SPY. Holy moly donut shop. Look at the SPY. What a nice pop for the SPY as well. Look at here. I covered the SPY in the Discord, okay? I wrote this morning at 9:24 a.m. 589.5 is support. If it defends and 591 clears, more upside is possible. When we go to the 15-minute chart, I don't know why it's taking long to load here. You look at this 930 candle right here. Boom. Look at it. Bounce off the 589.5 level, cleared 591, and smashed the next resistant level. What did I have as the next resistant level? 591 clears. More upside is possible. With 592.6 was the first target. You guys go to the 15-minute chart. You see how it cleared 591. It smashed 592.6. Went a little higher before rejecting. It pulled back, had a nice little false breakout setup here when it broke back below 491, gave us a nice level to level move down to 489.5 before bouncing and recapturing that 591 level. And on the second recapture, that's when it just went up higher, going as high as 593.94. Smashed multiple levels, hit my 592.6 level. It cleared 592.6. I mentioned in the group I have a 593.5 level next, smashed it. All we're using are the levels and we're reacting to the setups. If you followed my levels and setup, longing above 591 while 580, look at this. I wrote it in the beginning of the day. If 589.5 holds that support, which it did one time, two times, and it clears 591, which it did one time, two times, it would be bullish. Okay, what was the bear case scenario? I wrote here, if 589.5 fails, 588 and 586 incoming. You guys can see on the 15-minute chart, That 589.5 never fail. So when I'm giving amazing guidance like this and I see someone cancel their membership, I'm so confused. I don't know, guys. What are you like? What you guys want me to give you guys like terrible analysis? Is that what's gonna get me more subscribers and build my community up? I'm so confused. Look at the SPY trade. Look at the Tesla trade, NVDA. Oh my goodness. Anyways, let's just get to the plan, right? Let's get to the plan. We had this gap up thanks to CPI. I mentioned to everybody above 586, Uncle Charles would be bullish. We got a little bit more than recapture of 586. We actually recaptured the multi-month trend line, this white trend line right there. Never broke down. We never officially broke down the green triangle neither. But look at that. We're back to the top of the green triangle. The question now is, can the bounce continue? Couple of contexts we need to look at. All right. We have a bullish island reversal. Okay. A bullish island reversal. We have a gap. Where's the gap? We have a gap here. Y'all see the gap? And then we have a gap here today that we got. That is an island reversal, bullish island reversal. But this is not the first time we've seen this bullish island reversal. We had a gap here. This was back in late December. And then we had another gap here. That was in early January. What happened the last time we had a bullish island reversal? Well, we had a bearish reversal the very next day. That was on January 7th. Now here we are again with another bullish island reversal. Bullish island reversal usually marks bottoms. They usually means a reversal, and a bullish island reversal obviously bullish to the upside. But the question now is, can lightning strike twice? We had a bullish island reversal back in late to early January, and it ended up reversing and becoming bearish. Well, we got another bullish island reversal. Can the bears do it again? Can they reverse the reversal? All right. Can they counterattack? If we are to be bearish tomorrow, okay, and lightning strikes twice where the bullish island reversal does not show follow through, just like it didn't show follow through in early January, support levels must fail as usual. 592.6, 591, and 589.5 are support levels. Okay, if those levels break down, you want to look to short. You guys got to stop acting like you don't know better. I show you guys every day on the 15-minute chart how to use Uncle's levels, level to level style. And you guys see with your own eyes that the accuracy is not 100%, but it's high enough, much higher than 51%. You're going to be more right than you are wrong when you're trading this way. Are there going to be times when you're wrong? Of course. You got to cut your stop loss. But there's going to be times where you are more right than wrong. Makes sense? So why not? Why not trade like a sheep unbiasedly? So like I said, if we are to get bearish, support levels must fail. Okay, you guys know better now. Now, if we are to stay bullish, 593.5 and 595 must clear. If 595 clears, we break out the green triangle pattern. That's a breakout. And if we get above 596.5, that's a recapture of a Fibonacci level to put 600 or higher in play. The bottom line is 595. Above that would be a breakout. Above 593.5 would be a recapture of a fib level. Those levels, those two levels clear, we are bullish. Okay? Don't get bearish unless we break down support. And don't get bullish unless we can clear some more resistant levels. Does that make sense, guys? Please tell me that makes sense. It takes a lot of effort for me to create these videos. Please talk to Uncle Charters. Let me know that my efforts are not wasting here, okay? Time on this planet is limited, okay? And I put my time into you guys. So let me know, guys. Triple Q here. Triple Q with the nice bounce, and it ran right into the fib level at 517.5. If there is more upside to be had, that's the level that must clear. 517.5 is a fib level, and if it clears 520 and 522 in play. Now, 520 is a fib level, but 522 is based on this down green trend line. If that down green trend line clears, that is bullish, that is a breakout. and we are likely heading to 526 or higher. All right. Bull case scenario only possible if 517.5 and 520 clears. Bottom is not in unless we get above 522. Now, if this is a dead cat bounce, okay, if today's bounce was just a little gap up to get people excited, we do have a bullish island reversal just like with SPY. But the last time we had a bullish island reversal, it ended up being bearish. Will it happen again? If the answer is yes, supports at 516 must fail. 514 must fail. 512 must fail. 510.5 must fail. And I have a fib level, also a gap level at 509. If that level failed, then obviously we are heading down lower. Loss of support is your trigger to enter puts. Loss of support is the price action telling you to go short. Breakout of resistance is the price action telling you we are heading up higher. Okay, guys, be ready to react tomorrow. Oh my God, Tesla, we got to get to the daily chart. Look at that big body green candle. We also cleared a Fibonacci level, which was at 426. Okay, that's a breakout. As long as above 426, stay bullish because SPY would be in breakout. Tesla would be in breakout mode. We also cleared this down trend line, this white down trend line. Okay, so above 426 is bullish. Clearing 428 and 430 would be bullish follow through to put 431.5, 433, and 434.5 all in play. Above 426 is bullish. Don't get bearish unless 426 fail as support. Whether it's a traditional breakdown or a gap down, got to get below 426 to start getting bearish. That will put 424, 422, 420 all in play. I think if we do break down 426, we could head all the way back down to 415.4ish. But bottom line is don't get bearish unless 426 fail. Above it, we are bullish. NVDA trying to go for a bounce. I'm not quite bullish on it just yet, but it is trying. And if it is going to be successfully bullish, 136.8, 138, and 140 must clear. I can't favor a bottom is in unless 140 recaptures. If 135 and 133 fails tomorrow, today's bounce was a dead cat bounce. And we are likely heading down lower. 131.5, 130, and all the way down to 126.8 would all be in play. IWM is still leading the way. I do have this megaphone pattern here. If IWM want to keep heading up, it needs to clear 226 and 228 to get to 230 plus. If this is a dead cat bounce or a gap in crap, the crap has to come tomorrow because we had the gap today. And 224 and 222 must fail to trigger puts. And if those levels fail, that's a good sign we are heading down low. All right, 220, 217, 215 will all be in play. Apple with a very, very nice bounce. It also recaptured the 237.5 fib level. As long as 237.5 hold as support, we are bullish with 240, 241.7, 243, and 244.2 plus all in play. Do not get bearish unless 237.5 fails to put 236, 233.6, 232, and 230.7 all back in play. Here is Amazon. Beautiful gap up. Showed a little bit of bullish follow through, but not strong enough, at least not in my opinion. It still did not clear that 223.6 level. Let me adjust this. I'm going to adjust this to from the high of December 16th to test the high of January 6th. Okay, so this I'm adjusting this, and it like I said, it didn't clear the fib level 223.6. Okay, it's gapping up now in the aftermarket. I mean, if it could get above that and clear 226, 223.6, get above that and clear 226, I would then favor a bottom is in. Okay, below 223.6 is still overall bearish, and loss of 222 and 220.6 would be bearish follow through to put 219, 217, and 215 or lower all in play for Amazon. Meta with the beautiful bounce. It recaptured a fib level at 615.6, but for some reason, gapping down in the aftermarket. Okay, it's around 611 from where it's at, which means next support's at 610 and 608. No shorts unless those levels fail to put 606, 603, and 600 all back in play. Okay, now we have the breakout of 615.6 today. Yeah, looks like the CEO of Meta sold some of his shares. That might be why some yeah, you know, he probably sold a good amount. Might be why it's causing the gap down right now. But we'll see if, you know, because for him to sell it, somebody had to buy it. So we'll see if it's enough to push the market back up. But just let the levels guide you. If 610 fails, we are heading down lower. If we can clear 612, 614, and 615.6, then obviously we are heading back higher. Microsoft recaptured the multi-month trend line after a breakdown. It looked like a false breakdown setup to me. We cleared that 421 level. I told everybody, if we clear 421, you want to look to long. You guys don't act like Uncle didn't tell you. I give you guys all, you know, the information here, and you know, I don't know if I'm being ignored or what, but it is what it is. I did my part. And as of right now, next resistance at 428 and 429.2. If those levels clear, we are heading up higher. Do not look to short unless 426 fails or 424 fails to put 422, 420.8 all in play. I got some updated levels here. And if those levels fail, that's when you want to look to short, okay? Look like a head and shoulder pattern forming, but unless we start breaking down support, then the pattern means nothing, okay? The pattern means nothing unless the price action backs it up, okay? DXY pulling back here. Yeah, loss of 109. We're heading down lower, possibly all the way back down to 108 or lower, okay? Loss of 109. Likely dropping down lower. Trust no bounce unless 109.3 can recapture to put 110 back in play. Remember, y'all, a bearish DXY is likely a bullish SPY, and a bullish DXY is likely a bearish SPY. Okay, that's why I like to watch the dollar. Coin, incredible. I love trading this ticker symbol. It did recapture and clear a fib level today at 274. So above 274 is bullish. Clearing 276 and 278 would definitely put more upside in play. 280, 282, and 283.5 would then all be in play. Bottoms in if we can recapture 283.5 and get above 285, all right? Do not get bearish unless we break down 274 and 272 to put 270 in play. I honestly think we can drop all the way back down to 265, and below 265, I would definitely be bear biased. DOGE, what did Uncle tell you? You want to look to long above 34 cents. It gave us a nice pop up to almost hitting 39 cents, okay? 38 cents need to prove itself as support. As you guys can see, it's struggling right now, okay? So if you guys did long 34 cents, I recommend you guys, if you didn't already, secure, lock in some profits, okay? I told you guys, get in around 34 cents on the breakout, take profit around 38 cents, okay? 4 cents profit, you know, per share. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. You know, if you're holding a good amount of size, that is, okay? If you're holding a very tiny size, then it's not much, right? All right, but you know, if 38 cents can hold, I mean, it's still 23 hours left on this candle. The candle just started. A lot can happen until then. But if 38 cents is lost, I would cut my runners, all right? Otherwise, take most profit, hold on a runner. We'll see if it can hold above 38 cents, 40 cents, 42, and 44 cents are all in play. But if 38 cents is lost, there's a good chance we drop back down to 36 cents and 34 cents. And if we lose 34 cents, then the breakout is over, okay? Breakout is over. We're likely heading down lower, okay? Good for a level-to-level move. But like I said, if we want a bigger move, 38 cents must hold. Still 23 hours left on this candle. Let's see, all right? And Bitcoin, looking bullish to me. It got above 98K. Let's see if it can break 100K. If it does, 102, 104 are all back in play, possibly 108K, okay? Do not look to short or get bearish on me unless we break back below 98,000. All right, guys? And that is all for tonight for Uncle's Aftermarket video. I thank you guys so much for watching, and always remember to keep it unbiased. Bye!